Good morning. Welcome to Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Randy Willett, and I'm here today to show you a beautiful 2018 Thor 27.7. This is a 27-foot coach, 2 slide outs. Very, very nice coach. Small enough you could take it out in the back country and still turn around. This has storage right there. More storage here. This has your Egress windows where you don't have all the ugly molding around the outsides. Then on the cameras, you have your side vision cameras. Very, very nice, so you can't sideswipe somebody up beside you. Go toward the back of the coach. This is locked up, but it's an outside TV. And then we come to the back of the coach. It's all wired to tow, so you can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Once again, your beautiful Egress windows. 2 slide outs on this side. Once again, 30 amp service, has 1 air conditioner on top. And we'll go around to the other side and walk inside the coach. Very pretty coach, very well designed. Has your chrome mirrors on the outside. Big window, big wipers to clean off the windshield very, very well. This is a very pretty coach. Has a nice wood floor. It's non-pervious to water, will not stain, will not mildew. As you can see, it has an overhead bed that comes down to the top of the driver's seat and co-pilot seat. You have a sofa that pulls out into a bed. Then across from that, you have a nice big wide dinette booth that makes into a bed. Across from the sofa, you have a 37-inch TV. Very easy to watch. You don't have to crank your head around and look up front. It's just straight across from you. Nice big cabinets. This has your halftime microwave in there. It cooks faster than a regular microwave. 2-burner stove. Then we have an 8 cubic foot refrigerator with a freezer. And as we walk to the bedroom, you have a queen island bed that you can walk around. Nice cabinets above that. And here to the right, you have a nice shower with a commode. You have lots of cabinets for storage for your toothbrush, whatever you need. But anyhow, very, very nice coach. This has your backup monitor with Bluetooth CD player in it. This is powered by a Ford V10 engine. We sell the heck out of these. They're just an exceptionally nice coach. If you have any questions about this coach or anything else, please feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, I hope to see you out on the road. Thank you for your time.